Dr. Cảnh, would you like to play video?
Okay, now it's time. It's time now.
Yes. No, let's play the video first, then we start at 10 exactly.
There exists a gap between the works conducted in the industry and the researches performed in the universities. This gap is partially caused by the different objectives of the two parties. Especially in this 21st century, the pressing issue of global warming and the pandemics of the COVID-19 urge us to understand and overcome the aforementioned gap. In our conference VANJ 2021, we are glad to hold a platform for all attendees to discuss and share their experiences to build a bridge between academia and industry. Modern power grids with the high penetration of renewable energy sources such as photovoltaic, wind, fuel cell, and so on have been becoming more and more popular in recent years. In those grids, various energy conversion systems, energy storage systems, electric vehicles, and hybrid electric vehicles have been broadly used and had important roles to improve effectiveness and stability of the grid, as well as help reduce CO2 emissions significantly. In this lecture session, we will focus on advanced control methods and mechanisms for microgrids, smart grids, energy markets, and intelligent mobility systems. Medical imaging is of crucial importance in the diagnosis, monitoring, and treatment of a wide range of diseases and disorders, from internal lesions to cancers. In recent years, the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze medical imaging data and identify relevant clinical findings has rapidly grown to support medical experts in saving human lives. Our sessions will focus on the most recent trends and challenges in this area.
Yes, I would like to introduce you special sessions, New Horizons of Physics and Devices in 2D Material. I mentioned in its title, this session will bring many fascinating physical phenomena found in two-dimensional material, which might lead to the new physics and applications in the near future. Recently, Africa's white fever occurs and caused a huge loss in economic of animal husbandry. However, until now, no vaccine, no personalized medicines. How we can control it? Therefore, we are warmly welcome all the experts and everyone who concerned about this global disease to attend our section. Africa's white fever, the final frontier. In our sections, we can explore and cooperate in the future to control this disease.
Antimicrobial resistance (AMR) is one of the most global health concerns, and it happens in both high-income and low-medium-income countries. It is related to the transmission of AMR bacteria between humans and humans, from the environment, animals to humans, and vice versa. A limited understanding was found on how the AMR gene can be transmitted to and from humans. In this session, we are going to share some key achievements in the analysis of gene sequence and profile of antibiotic-resistant genes in AMR bacteria via the human body, animal, and environment.
We are looking forward to welcoming you in VANJ 2021 this December.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to VANJ Conference 2021. My name is Queen Do, PhD candidate of University of Ochanomizu, and I'm speaking to you from Tokyo, Japan. The theme of this year's conference is Bridging Academic and Industry. The organizers would like to emphasize the importance of the connection between academic and industry in order to facilitate the university-based research to make the most positive impact to the society. The conference is organized by Vietnamese Academic Network in Japan, VANJ, with the great support from our partners, Vietnam Youth Vet Network, VANJ, and Vietnam Biomedical Science Community, VBMC. We wish we were able to gather all together today for this exciting event, but as you are here already, the conference will be held online in 2 days, December 4th and 5th, from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5:30 in the afternoon, Japan Standard Time. The award and closing remark will be from 5:30 to 6 p.m. tomorrow. We are glad to welcome the speakers, participants from Japan, Vietnam, America, Canada, China, Australia, Korea, and Spain for joining us today. We hope you will have a weekend full of valuable knowledge, inside discussion, and be able to broaden your network. I also want to make it clear that the content of the conference will not be recorded or live streamed. The exceptions are this opening session and the closing remark at the end of the tomorrow agenda, which will be live streamed on our YouTube and fan page. Finally, we would like to thank and acknowledge our gold sponsor, Economic Research Institute for Asian and East Asia, ERIA, and silver sponsor, Medical Excellence Japan, for the indispensable support and contribution to the success of this event. And now I would like to welcome and invite the conference chair, Dr. Anh Đào, to provide the welcome message. Please, Dr. Anh Đào.
Thank you, Ms. Quyên. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Dear distinguished guests, honorable speakers, friends and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to welcome all the scientists, experts, young researchers, and students from Japan, Vietnam, and many other countries and regions to join VANJ Conference 2021. Also, I would like to express my congratulations to Vietnamese Academic Network in Japan, Vietnam Youth Vet Network, and Vietnam Biomedical Science Community for the successful cooperation in organizing VANJ 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, as of today, Vietnamese Academic Network in Japan is in its 6 years of operation, which is more than 3,000 members, including researchers, scientists, and intellectuals, and become one of the largest academic networks of Vietnamese abroad. Each year, we and our partners organizing international meetings as a platform to build a strong academic network and exchange scientific knowledge, while promoting the relationship in science and technology of Vietnam and Japan. Last year marked a significant development of VANJ with the launch of the first VANJ conference, VANJ 2020, Science and Technology in the New Normal. VANJ 2020 has brought to us major updates in scientific findings and cutting-edge innovations that can be useful in aiding society to adapt with the COVID-19 pandemic. And in the same cause, this year, VANJ Conference 2021 is organized with hope to further bring those scientific values to realization through academic and industry collaboration. Roughly 2 centuries ago, the Patent Law Amendment Act was established and bridged the gap between the curiosity-driven research nature of academia and the interest-driven production of industry. The collaboration between academia and industry have shown undeniable effect on the growth of the society in the development of technology and innovations and increasing the life quality and comfort of the human race. We believe that VANJ Conference 2021 with the topic Bridging Academic and Industry, will further elucidate the importance of this collaboration to the society and will be of great interest to all of the intellectuals, researchers, and scientists. VANJ 2021 will serve as a platform where we can discuss bridging academic and industry in various aspects of education, science, and technology. We deeply appreciate the attendance and the contribution of you, all the advisors, plenary, keynote, and invited speakers, authors, and participants of VANJ 2021, to whom we owe the success of this conference. We also would like to express our deep gratitude to the generous support from Economic Research Institute for Asia, for ASEAN and East Asia, and Medical Excellence Japan. My final thanks are to 32 members of the organizing committee. 32 young, talented, and devoted researchers have worked together over 5 months and to bring to you today's conference with an intensive program in multidisciplines of science. We wish each and every participant of VANJ 2021 at the end of tomorrow to obtain new networks, new friendships, and new interests in science. Now, on behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to open VANJ Conference 2021, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Andal, for the welcome message. Next, I call upon the chair of the technical program committee, Dr. Vũ Đức Cảnh, to make the brief introductory remarks of VANJ 2021 scientific program. Please, Dr. Cảnh.
Thank you, MC Quendo. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Technical Program Committee, it's my pleasure to welcome you to the VANJ 2021 conference. This year, the conference had total of 55 presentations, including 35 invited talks, 16 general oral presentations, and 4 poster presentations. Our invited speakers are researchers, scientists from universities and research institutes. Some other also for policymakers, experts from the international organization, and CEOs from the technology development companies, from the industry. Our presentation come from many countries around the world, with the highest contribution from Japan, followed by Vietnam, South Korea, the US, Canada, China, Spain, Australia, and Ghana. All come together in this conference to exchange the latest scientific findings, experiences, and know-how. As has been the tradition of VANJ conference, VANJ 2021 continue to feature a technical program across a wide range of research areas. However, each year, VANJ conference have a different theme. The main theme this year is bridging academic and industry, which stimulates research, innovations, and technology developments to promote the collaboration between academia and industry. VANJ 2021 is a 2-day event with 1 plenary, 1 forum, and 6 special sections. As you can see here in the slide, on the first day, today morning, we have a plenary talk from Professor Minoru Terano, President of Japan Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, discussing the key topic of VANJ 2021 theme, sharing his viewpoint on collaboration between industry and academia. Then we have the conference networking. And in the afternoon, we have 2 special sections and 1 forum. The special section 1, Economic and Business Insight in the Uncertain World. Forum, sharing your experience to bridge academia and industry. Section 3, Application and Controls of Energy Conversion System for CO2 emission reduction. And on the second day, tomorrow, our program includes 2 special sections in the morning. Section 4, State of the Art AI, in medical imaging, recent advances and challenges. Special section 5, new horizon of physics and devices in 2D materials. And during the lunchtime, we will introduce an important project of VANJ book. And in the afternoon, we will have 2 more special sections. Section 6, African white fever, and section 7, genome sequence analysis in antibiotic-resistant bacteria, treatment and challenges, and followed by the general oral and poster section. And our conference will come to the end with the award and concluding remark. And this is our organizing committee of VANJ 2021. Many members, 32 members, work very hard together throughout 5 months to turn out the conference into reality. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all members of the committee member. Thank you so much for your support. And this is the brief information about the VANJ 2021 conference. I hope that all of you will enjoy the conference and have a good time with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Vũ Đức Cảnh. It looks like that we will have a lot of exciting discussion in the next 2 days. And now we have finished the opening sessions. Now we will move to the plenary session, the academic industry collaborations from the viewpoint of experts. It will be provided by our respectful Professor Minoru Terano, the president of Japan Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. Chair of the session will be Dr. Đào Ngọc Anh. Please, Dr. Anh Đào.
Should we start now or should we wait until correct time?
So at the schedule it will be start from 10:30. So I think we still have some time for a short break. Is it?
Yes. Okay. Let's take a short break before the plenary session at 10:30.
Okay, and see you soon in the plenary session.